guys, what's up everyone, and welcome back again here on my channel, Journey with Jean and Red. Rainy Tuesday morning. Well, I'm happy because today's raining and I know my vegetables are very happy also. Look at my eggplants, guys. Look at their leaves. They're like, what do you call this one? They're like petchay. Their leaves is very wide. My squash are hiding. Well, I just hope, guys, that no wind, just rain, so that my vegetables won't fly away. And look at my okra. Their leaves is very wide as well. Last Sunday, guys, I harvested 16 kilos of cucumber. And then yesterday, I also harvested 12 kilos of cucumber. And I sold them all out. And look at these sweet peppers. They have already fruit. See? Look at them, guys. Wow, there's a squash. Oh. And my long beans or string beans, see, they are crawling up. And look at the seedling. This is the green long chili, or we call it chili espada, this one. And these 3 trays are the cucumber. let's get inside. When you get inside, you're the marigold. And my basil. Wow. Tomatoes. And I have some cherry tomatoes also. The patola. I didn't know that cherry tomatoes are tall. So now look at this tall, look at the stick I put. It's very long already. Look at the cherry tomatoes, my cherry tomato. Wow, I can see some ripe tomatoes. See? See that one? There we go. Let's see there. And we also have here. Chilling. So I guess this cherry tomato now is they're like 6 feet already. See? And this morning, early this morning, I harvested a few ampalaya or bitter melon, bitter gourd, and some eggplants. Here they are. So guys, I hope you enjoy my tour in the garden, raining in the garden. So that would be all for today, and thank you once again for watching my videos. Bye bye everyone.